Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to use Zoho Project for IT project management. This is your full 2025 guide. The first step is to create your project. Log into Zoho Project, and on the dashboard, click on the New Project button. Fill in all the necessary details such as the project name, description, and timeline. Remember, a well-defined project is key to effective management. Once you've set up your project, it's time to add tasks. On the left-hand navigation bar, click on Tasks. This will open up a new window where you can input the task details, assign it to team members, set the priority, and establish deadlines. Make these as detailed as possible because this is how your team will understand their responsibilities. Now that we've done that, the next step is to set up milestones. On the same navigation bar, click on Milestones. Here you can set important deadlines or significant project events. The reason we do this is to break down the project into manageable parts, making it easier for everyone involved to track progress. Next up, tracking your project's progress. On your project page, click on Gantt chart under Tasks and Milestones. This gives you a visual presentation of your project timeline, tasks, and milestones. This helps us because it allows us to easily identify bottlenecks, delays, or overlaps in tasks. Finally, you'll want to use the Reports feature. On the navigation bar, click on Reports. You can generate custom reports on tasks, milestones, and overall project progress. Let me explain why this matters. It provides a measurable way to assess the performance and efficiency of your project, helping you make informed decisions. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to use Zoho Project for IT project management. Remember, the key to effective management lies in planning, tracking, and adapting. So go ahead and explore all the features Zoho Project offers to streamline your project management process.